Yo, what is up guys? Vimal here, back with a new video, and today I have something very interesting to show you all. A lot of people usually keep looking to buy like a gaming mouse or gaming keyboard with premium quality features at a reasonable price point, right? You guys came to the right video. So lately I've been seeing a lot of videos on this particular brand called as Kreo guys, especially on their gaming peripherals like mouse and keyboard, and I was also a bit curious like what is all this hype about. So I actually got my hands on two of their products, not one, a gaming mouse and also a gaming keyboard. The gaming mouse is called as Icarus and is basically like a wireless gaming mouse that offers some really interesting features at a reasonable price point. It also has like a ultra lightweight design guys, only around like 55 grams. Plus you're getting plenty of other features which we'll anyhow talk about in this video. And the keyboard that we'll be checking out is Kreo Swarm. So this is basically like a wireless mechanical RGB gaming keyboard. I'm very excited guys. Let's actually unbox and see how the quality of the products is and basically the overall performance. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our brand new wireless gaming peripherals from Kreo came in this sort of packaging, and as I've told you just now, we got our hands on both wireless gaming mouse and a wireless mechanical gaming keyboard as well. So we'll be unboxing them one by one and talk about the products. First we'll start off with the mouse. Mouse is a bit special guys. This is a super lightweight wireless gaming mouse called as a Kreo Icarus and hardly weighs around like 55 grams. This wireless gaming mouse is available in two different color options. You get white edition, black edition. Today we have the white edition. And as soon as you open the box packaging, at the top side you get like a welcome note. Keeping that aside, you also get some accessories like an extra set of mouse feet, some stickers Kreo branded, and lastly a user manual as well. Just make sure to read that. Keeping that aside, in the package this is a mouse I was talking about, Kreo's all new Icarus wireless gaming mouse in this white and purple edition. And initial impressions, oh my god, that is a beautiful looking mouse. Along with that, you're also getting a 4K USB 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and lastly a USB-C braided cable is also included. So that's it, these are all the accessories. And before I give you a closer look at the mouse, let's also quickly unbox the keyboard. So this is a wireless mechanical compact 10 keyless keyboard from the company called as Kreo Swarm and has plenty of interesting features guys. This keyboard is also available in like 4 different color options and 2 switch variants. We'll talk about the switches also in a moment. You've got some details about the product mentioned at the back side, and that is pretty much it. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open it, you get some paperwork at the top side, some stickers, user manual. Just make sure to read this for all the details on how to set it up and access different features. And finally boys, this is the keyboard I was talking about, the Kreo Swarm wireless mechanical keyboard. Along with that, you're also getting a braided cable, USB-C standard 1.7 meter length, a keycap puller, and lastly 2 extra mechanical switches. So that's it, our complete unboxing experience. First of all, let me give you a closer look at the mouse and talk about the design, build quality and features. And initial impressions, I do have to mention I love the color scheme guys. White and purple funky looking design, and you know what, it kind of actually reminds me of the G Pro X Superlight series. Anyways, talking about the design, the Kreo Icarus has a nice ergonomic design made specially for right hand usage. There is nothing on the body, clean minimal look, no RGB lighting, no flashy stuff, just the Kreo branding on it. On board you're getting 5 buttons, fully programmable, and even support macros as well. The main left and right buttons feature Omron optical D2FP switches, while the side buttons have Kale switches, quite durable, each 10 million clicks rated. If you ask about the overall build quality, good build quality is what I can say. Entire body is made of polycarbonate material, and that too the body features like ultra thin case material to keep the weight of the mouse as low as possible. I've told you right, this is a super light design and the mouse hardly weighs around like 55 grams. Pretty crazy guys. Now going to the front side, here you'll find a Type-C port for charging, or you can even use it in wired mode as well as per your convenience. And here's how the bottom profile of the mouse looks like. You're getting good quality 100% PTFE mouse feet, that too with the Kreo Icarus branding, and Pixart Paw 3395 sensor at the center, a power on a slide switch, and also a DPI adjust button. There's a tiny compartment on the bottom side to store USB dongle, but the mouse actually comes with a large 4K dongle guys, not the regular one, but unfortunately you cannot fit that over here, so as of now this is kind of useless. So that's it, our complete overview on the design design and build quality part. Alright, moving on, let me share you my experience on the usability and the comfort. I've been using this gaming mouse for the last couple of days, and I do have to mention the mouse feels super comfortable while using, guys, all thanks to its ergonomic super lightweight design. It's only around 55 grams. Are you kidding me? See, instead of just watching the video, if you people could actually get your hands on it and try it out, then you'll understand what I'm saying. Due to its ultra lightweight design, the mouse just glides on the surface, and not to forget, it is totally wireless, right? So no clutter of cables hanging from your PC. Setting up the mouse is also like super simple. Just download Kreo software from their website, plug in the USB dongle into your PC or laptop, switch it on, and bam, that's it, you're good to go. The software offers plenty of customization options, and I've told you, right, you're getting fully programmable buttons on board with macro support. You can adjust the DPI range, polling rate, angle snapping, ripple control, and much more. Okay, moving on, let's get to the main part. How is the overall performance? The mouse features a high quality Pixart PAW3395 sensor that supports a DPI adjustment range from 50 to all the way up to 26,000. The max polling rate is 4000 Hz, has a speed of 650 IPS, and that too with a 50G acceleration. I've been playing with this gaming mouse for the last couple of days, and I have to mention, I was quite impressed with the overall performance. The sensor on board was accurately tracking my movements, and even during intense gaming sessions also I had no issues. And the best part was obviously the weight. Even during my long gaming sessions, say 1.5 to 2 hours at a stretch, I didn't feel any fatigue or stress on my hand. The whole contour and ergonomic design definitely adds to that. And as I've told you at the beginning, you're getting high quality Omron optical switches and Kail switches on the side, right? Offers excellent response time with a satisfactory clicky feel. Now talking about the battery life is also good. The brand says that a full charge can easily offer around like 90 to 100 hours of battery life. So that was about the Icarus gaming mouse, and moving on, let me tell you about the keyboard. Kreo Swarm is a compact 10 keyless wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. Available in 4 different colors and 2 switch variants, the keyboard has a premium look and feel. So just like my Icarus, even this also I bought in white and purple finish to match up the entire theme. And you got the Kreo branding on the bottom side, 3-tone keycaps at the top, and a volume control dial as well. Talking about the design, the internal design is a bit special over here, guys. The construction actually features 3 layers of foam for excellent sound absorption. And the keyboard is also gasket mounted to reduce any sort of unnecessary vibrations in the body. So whenever you're using the keyboard, all you can hear is pure mechanical switches sound. As I've told you at the beginning, it's available in 2 different switch variants. You get One Speed Yellow or GTMX Sense. See, if you're a guy looking for a linear sort of feedback with fast actuation and also low-key noise profile, right, then One Speed might be the one for you. But on the other hand, if you're a guy looking for a tactile or clicky feedback experience with a firm acknowledgement of the key press, right, then GTMX Sense is the way to go. If you ask about the connectivity, the keyboard supports 3-way connectivity, supports both Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless. USB dongle is also included in the package, or lastly, you can even use it in wired mode as well, totally up to your convenience. Build quality, as I mentioned just now, is top notch for the price point. Definitely feels solid and durable, minimum flex in the body. And if you ask about the keycap quality is also nice. Kreo is actually offering like double short PBT keycaps, and the switches are pre-looped from the factory for a smooth typing experience. So along with the mouse, I've been using the keyboard as well for the past couple of days and had a comfortable experience while typing. Not to miss out, you're getting 2 different angle adjustment stands on the bottom, so you can easily adjust it as per your convenience. I've been mostly using this keyboard in the 2.4G wireless mode only and had a pleasant experience, guys, both in my day-to-day sort of lifestyle and also gaming as well. The One Speed Yellow switches offer a linear sort of operation and feels like Muska while you're typing, especially if you're like a gamer who's looking for fast actuation and key registers, right? This is the one for you. But on the other hand, if you're maybe like a content creator, you edit a lot of videos or photos and want a firm acknowledgement of the key press, right, then GTMX Sense would actually fit the job. So like the mouse only, keyboard is also fully customizable using Kreo software. You can assign shortcuts, define macros, function keys, and best part is the keyboard offers perky RGB lighting. You can choose from 15 to 16 different lighting effects or even create your own via the software. quality of the LEDs is also nice. They're bright, colorful, and offer a seamless transition. And as I've told you, even the LED brightness is fully adjustable using the software. Only thing, if I had to nitpick, right, the software is not universal for their products. So for example, I have a mouse and a keyboard, right? For that I have to use two different software applications to control the peripherals, guys. I really hope Kreo would take this like a feedback and maybe, you know, try to develop like a universal hub and solution, as it would make things much more convenient for the users. Last but not the least, let's also talk about the battery life. On board, the keyboard comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and battery life can totally depend on the user, guys. Like for example, if you're using the keyboard with complete RGB lighting turned off, then you can easily expect around like 250 to 270 hours of battery life on a single charge. But again, if you're like a heavy user, you fancy that RGB lighting, that to set at maximum brightness, then you can only expect around like 18 to 20 hours of battery life. Totally depends on the user. Well, that's it boys, time to wrap it up. Our video on Kreo's gaming peripherals, the Kreo Swarm and also Kreo Icarus gaming mouse. Good quality product, guys. You're actually getting like great features at a reasonable price point. Looks and also definitely feels premium for the price that you're paying. I'll try to leave links to these products in the description box below. You can check it out there. And if you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you were looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.